Hey, I'm Casso. Sorry I'm late. I had to race across town.
Oh, Michael.
Wow. You did these? Freehand?
Yep.
My God, these could be tracings. Oh. Look at this one. Wow. You nailed it. How much?
What do you mean?
I don't see a price.
You want to buy it?
Well, yeah. Yeah, we have to have it for the office. I mean, there's my window and there's my car. Is that your car?
Uh-huh.
That is our building. And we sell paper. I'm really proud of you.
Thank you.
What?
Do you have something in your pocket